Reports. This tutorial will review various settings for reports. And what you want to do is you want to go into the full grade center, hover on reports, click create report. The name is required for the report, type 1 in the text box. You can choose to include a date, institutional name, course information, name of users by role. Under users, you can choose between all users in a group, selected users. You have the option to include hidden users in the report. Under the user information section, first and last names are checked by default. You can choose to include your ASU right, student ID, and last access date. If the report is going to be printed out, you should consider to leave the personal data unchecked in case students leave it in the class. You can choose which columns you wish to print. All columns in a grading period, all columns in a category, selected columns. You can select more than one. You have the option to include hidden columns in the report. In the column information, you can choose to include additional specifics regarding columns like descriptions, due dates, and statistics. Finally, in the footer information, you can also add in any kind of custom text. You can include a signature line, date, course information if you wish, all which are optional. When you're finished, click Submit. Column menu. Each column in the Grade Center has a drop-down menu that will display options based on the column format and the type of assessment that it is attached to. We are going to review each of the options that could be available, though not all of them will be in one menu. Quick column information. This is an overview of the column settings, including primary display, category, possible points, external grade, due date, included in the calculations, and whether or not it's included in the grade calculation. Click Close Menu when you're done with this. To edit the column information, click in the drop-down menu, click Edit Column Information. This is how you modify the column name, any kind of settings like primary display, the category of it, possible points, if there's a due date, and if it's included in any Grade Center calculations. If you want to show the column to students or not, make your changes that you wish and click Submit. Column statistics. To see statistics of a column, at the top of the column, click on the drop-down menu, choose Column Statistics. Column statistics are available for each column with information about statistics, minimum or maximum value, range, median, status distribution, and grade distribution. You can navigate to the next column by using the navigation tool at the top of the page. Click the right-facing arrow next to the current column, or you can jump to a column feature at the top, click the list choice, choose column, click refresh, and when you're done, click OK at the bottom of the page. Assignment File Cleanup. Assignment File Cleanup allows you to delete assignments submissions in bulk. Click the drop-down menu next to the column name and choose Assignment File Cleanup. A table will be displayed with all the student submissions. Please note, if a student didn't submit a file, it won't be on the list. You can either select all by clicking on the topmost checkbox or individual selected users. Click to delete and the student's file will be deleted from the assignment. You can still access the submission history, but files will no longer be present. Please be sure this is what you want to do, for there is no backup once they are removed.